And make sure Africa. Mazima, can you tell us your name, school, age, and what you expect to learn?
Okay, my name is Elma Mazima.
We're waiting.
My name is Elma. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes. My name is Elma. And I'm in grade 4. My school is King's Christian Academy. What I'm expecting to learn is
Yes, Mazima, what are you expecting to learn? Not yet had that one.
I'm expecting to learn how to code games.
Yes. Wow.
And I think that's it.
Okay, thank you so much. Mazima is expecting to learn code. Yes. Jeremiah, tell us your name, school, age, and what you expect to learn from this class.
Coding.
And I'm in the North Green School. I'm in year 6. So I expect to to learn about more coding.
Okay. Jeremiah is in year 6, expects to learn more about coding. Yes. Yes, we have Elton. Elton, go ahead and tell us your name, because we want to know you. I first introduce myself, so I also want to know you. Tell us your name, school age, and what you expect.
Wait,
Elton, can you hear me? Unmute yourself, because it's like you're talking, we can't hear you. First check one, and then unmute yourself and tell us yes. Now.
Yes, my name is Mubiru Elton Felix. I got St. Mary's Chitende. I'm 15 years old. I'm expecting to learn more of programming and coding.
Wow, that's beautiful. Yes, from Chitende is expecting to learn more coding and programming. Yes, so we have Mark. We have Mark. Mark, can you tell us your name, school, age, and where you go to the school, and what you expect.
My name is Agonze Wamak. I study in Livingstone Academy in Lubowa, and I'm in year 2, Emerald.
Okay, what do you expect?
I expect to learn coding.
Okay, you expect to learn coding. Wow, that's Mark. Sure, all our expectations are going to be met today. Yes, there is Serugo. Serugo, please put on your video and tell us your name, school, age, and your expectations. Serugo, have Caroline, please unmute yourselves, and then we want to listen to your voice. Want to hear from you, okay?
My name is Serugo. I'm in Green Hill Academy, Buate. I'm in P2. And I'm 7 years, and I expect how to learn how to, 8 years, and I expect how to learn
how to code.
Okay, yeah, so Serugo, could you just put your video on and I see the person I'm talking to? Kindly, because I can't see you. Yeah. Serugo, please kindly put your video on. I want to see you because I can see Mark, I can see Jeremiah, I can see Elton. So I want to see you. I hope you put the video on, but is 8 years old. Sean, Jack, please, Sean, tell us, unmute yourself, put your video. What see you? Because we are seeing people here, Mazima, I can see Mazima, I can see Jada, I can see, yes, Sean, tell us. Sean, tell us your name, school.
My name is John Mark,
Yes.
and I'm in year 4, and I'm in the North Green School. I expect to learn how to code robots and coding commands.
Okay, wow. Sean expects to learn how to code robots and commands. Okay, that's nice. Okay, yes, Amy is back. Then Caroline, please tell us. Caroline, want to hear your voice? Caroline, please want to hear your voice. Talk to us and yourself and talk to us and tell us your name.
My name is Jedediah Gorotanga. I'm in grade 3 and I homeschool and I want to do coding.
You want to do coding? So I don't know, I couldn't see the face of the person talking. Can I kindly see your face? Because I believe you can see mine and you've been seeing your friends' faces.
My name is Jedediah.
Okay. Emmanuel, please, I'm seeing Emmanuel. Please kindly let us know who you are and
yes.
My name is Jedediah Gorotanga. I am in grade 3 and I like to code and I am 8 years old.
Okay, you're 8 years, that's nice. Okay, you're 8 years, that's nice. So I believe we've all gone through, seen all our expectations, all our expectations, and I believe this class are going to meet your expectations, because we believe once your expectations are met, it's nice, you're inspired into field of computer science, and you can become good coders or good programmers. So I'm seeing Amy, hope yes I pronounce your name because Fad is at that time to join us. So please, after this, when you get your friends, please inform your friends that they don't miss out. When you're in a class and you are with your friends, like your friends at school or your friends at home, a class becomes more interesting and more enjoyable. But it's also always nice to meet new friends. Always nice to meet new friends. So I believe it's going to be an amazing class and we are all going to attend and enjoy. So to just make us a simple recap to see, because we are going to learn now what's coding, because I want us to understand, to know who can tell us what's coding. What's coding? Who can tell us what's coding?
Excuse
Yes,
me, I never introduced myself.
Okay, yes, please.
My name is Nelly Yes, my name is Nelly Mafumbo. I come from Kampala Parent School. I'm 10 years old. I want to learn how to code so that I could make robots and make games. And I'm in year 5.
Wow, you want to learn to code and now you can make robots. Wow, that's beautiful. So that's very nice. So that's very nice. I believe we've all seen that we all had different expectations. And please, in case you didn't talk to us, please tell us, because we want to know your expectations, because telling us the expectations. I also have expectations, by the way. My expectation is this class be the best class. Is someone talking?
Yes.
Yes, who's telling us?
Kendrick.
Just to introduce myself. So my name is Shanita Luwega. I'm in Kappa Parent School. I'm in year 6. I'm 11 years old.
So we can't hear you, we can't see your face.
Yeah, my name is Shanita Luwega. I'm in year 6. I'm 11 years old. I'm from KPA. I'm from Kappa Parent School, and my expectations are to code and make games.
Okay, high expectations are to code and make games. Wow, that's beautiful. So I also have expectation as a trainer, because I believe I'm one of the trainers. I believe I have expectations as me. So why do I have expectations? Because at least my expectations should also be able to meet your expectation. So first of all, my expectations are kind of like my expectations are at least some of us, most of us should be aware, or somehow we can use computers. If you first time to use a computer, or if you're using a tab, it's well, you're going to go through that, because it's one of the first things we need to know how to use a computer, then before we go into other details. And then afterwards,
what if you're using a phone?
If you're using a phone, since it's going to be a practical session, you can follow, and then you can be able to do later. Am I clear?
So could I change to the computer, or I change to my computer?
I think if you're using a phone, you could change to a computer in case you have a computer.
Okay, let me change right now.
Yeah. As she's changing, let me just be talking something, and then I believe we'll conclude. Okay, so sorry, hope she's about to finish. So what we're going to continue. So I'll still telling you my expectations are nothing. One of my expectations is you should be excited to learn and explore what programming field or computer science has for us as children, or as individuals, or as elders. Okay. If you're excited, you're going to really benefit. If you're excited, you're going to enjoy a lot compared to if you're not excited. But if you're not excited, I believe you will learn. You come here to know what's happening in the world, how we can use some computer knowledge to get money, to do what, to make creative, to add value to this nation, or different nation where you are. Because I believe we have some international students, because currently we are located, I'm located in Uganda, and I'm a Ugandan, so I believe we have different students from different countries. Yeah, this is international. So kindly think, that's why I always tell people to introduce themselves, because you never know, you may meet the next friend of yours from here, from this platform. So to just give just try to check our computer knowledge. So I'm going to ask us who can tell us what's a computer? Who can tell us what's a computer? Just tell us anything you know about computer. What's a computer? What are the parts of a computer? We want to see where we can start from, because you need to understand what a computer is, a computer, before we go into the real coding or programming.
My name is Amy. A computer is used to, my name is Amy. A computer is used to program or type anything.
Okay, I said a computer is used to program or type anything. Thank you so much, Amy. So it is telling us what's a computer. Yes, we need to be active. If you're excited, I believe you've been using computers. Just tell us here, every answer is right. There's nothing wrong with it.
My name is Kendrick. I have one. I think a computer is a device used to process and store data.
Okay. Emmanuel Kendrick said a computer is a device used to process and store data. That's nice. That's beautiful. Yeshua is telling us what's a computer. Because we are here, we are very many, and I believe most of us are from international schools. Shouldn't have shared our schools. I want someone next one panel. Who is telling us what's a computer? Yes, Mark. Mark.
My name is Mark, and a computer is something that you use for making research when you want to get answers from questions with people and you can't answer them. You use a computer and you research the question and you get the answer.
Wow, that's beautiful, Mark. So Mark has said computer, in case you have a question, you don't have an answer, easily use a computer and you search it. How do you do that? By using Google and going to internet to be able to get any answer, because .com error. That's nice. Okay, who else is telling us what's a computer? We've heard from Amy, we've heard from Kendrick and Mark. Who else is telling us what's a computer?
My name is, can I tell?
Yes, please.
A computer is I think a computer is a device people use to work and do coding, programming, playing games. Yeah, those things.
Okay, wow, that's nice, Mazima. A computer is used to work, to play games, to code, a lot of things. So that's very nice. So I believe now we shall take Jeremiah, do you want to talk to us?
Yes, please. What I think a computer is a type of device which is made by man and which is used for coding or using any research for any purpose. So yes.
Wow, that's nice. So that's very beautiful. That's very beautiful. So you had a definition of Mark. We've had definition from Mazima. We've had definition from Jeremiah. From
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
I did not hear the answer of the.
Okay. Jeremiah, we are kindly requesting you to repeat for us. Someone has not heard from you.
Okay. A computer is a type of device which is used for any resource purposes, for like coding or any program to do.
Hello, I've changed my gadget. I'm Nelly Mafuba again.
Okay, that's better. That's better. Okay, that's nice. So, please, in case you have a noise in your background, just mute yourself so that we can continue, so that you can make the class more interesting without noise. So,
Out and close that door because I'm studying. Please. I'm studying. You will come after I finished.
okay, now let's continue. So we've heard about what's a computer. So yeah, like Jerem's definition is right. So you're going to take a definition which is very easy. If you want us to take a definition, is very easy. All your definitions are very nice, but we shall take one which is easy. Like the one for Emmanuel is a device to process and store data. Then I also give this one like a layman's language side. So it's a machine used or a machine or device used to simplify man's work. It's used to simplify man's work because, for example, you are there on a computer, I can see you, we can talk together because it has simplified work. Instead of you putting in transport, looking where I am, or search for me, I put in transport and look for you where you are. So basically, this shows us that it's simplifying our work, isn't it? You can be in your own room, I'm in my own room, everyone is in their own home, and we can communicate, and then we can be able to continue with our work and learn. So basically, a computer, in a layman's language, is a device or machine that simplifies man's work. Okay, so from there, we're going to look at the different types of parts of computers. Who can tell us the parts of our computers? The parts of our computers, you know.
Me. Jedaya.
My name
A computer is used to input and output data.
Yeah, that's nice. A computer is used to input and output data. That's nice. That's beautiful.
My name is Amy. Types of computers, I believe it's desktop computer.
Okay, thank you so much, Amy. So we are
this is
looking at
Kendrick.
parts of a computer. Yes, Kendrick.
Parts of a computer, there is the keyboard, mouse, CPU, monitor, the keyboard.
Okay. So thank you so much. We are looking at the parts of a computer where Kendrick told us about the mouse, keyboard, screen, we have CPU. So we have different parts of a computer. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes.
So with just that little information, I'm going to first give you my other colleague. We are so many in this team. Take us through Scratch. Take us through Scratch training, because at least we can know we've known what a computer is. Look at the parts of a computer. So he's going to take us into the software part of it. It's going to take us first from what is a program, what is software, what are the software applications, and launch us into what programming is, and then he's going to show us what we are going to do or what we ought to achieve from his side, because I'm also going to be learning together. So thank you so much. So let's listen to my colleague. It's called Kelly Happiness. He's going to take us in the next session. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, thank you. I'm so excited to see you all. My name is Kelly Happiness. I'm also a trainer at Code Academy Uganda. Yeah, I train with Coach Brenda. Hope you've gone through what's a computer, how does a computer works, how computers help us in our daily life. And computers are so interesting, right? So right now we are going to talk about how a computer can help us to do more than helping us, but how we can speak to a computer, or how we can use a computer to create games, to create animations, to program it, creating sites, and a lot of stuff. That's what we're gonna look at. And for today's class, allow me to say that we're gonna use a simple program called Scratch, which I believe all of us we've used it before. Do we have any who have used the Scratch before?
No.
Yes, I see.
Yes.
Magma, you've used
Yes.
it
Yes.
before. Jeremiah.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, now it seems all of us we've used Scratch.
Yes.
Not yet. We haven't checked. I don't know what it means.
Let me see those who have not used it before.
Kendrick.
Anita.
Kendrick and Shanita. Wow. Yeah, so okay. Yeah, so I welcome you here, and today we're going to experience with Scratch and how it works. Jeremiah, please stop sharing your screen.
Sorry, I don't know. I'm not used to Zoom. This is my first time.
Oh, sorry.
I use Teams. I'm used to Teams.
You use Team Viewer? Oh, yeah. So I'm going to share my screen as we talk about Scratch. But before, I would like to know, for those who have used Scratch before, what did you use Scratch to do? Please, if you are talking, you first raise up. Erima, you can tell us what did you use Scratch to do?
We use Scratch to create games, create music, create all kinds of stuff. Yeah.
My name is Emily. We use Scratch to program games.
Yeah, we use Scratch to program games. Jeremiah.
We use Scratch to program the cat or any type of sprite, like to dance, move, or to turn around. Yes.
Yes.
Who else wants to share with us what do you use Scratch to do?
We use Scratch to program.
Yeah, we use Scratch to do program. Wow, that's good. Yeah, so
Please may I speak?
Yes, please.
My name is Nathaniel, and we use Scratch by coding to make sprites do things like make sounds, dance, walk, and many other things.
Wow. Yeah. And many other things. There are so we use Scratch to create videos. We use Scratch to create animations. We can use Scratch to create stories. We can use Scratch to do a lot of things. Whatever we think about, we can use Scratch to create it and experience it, and we pray it. Okay? Yeah. So do we have Scratch installed on our laptops or tablets, whatever you're using? If you don't have Scratch installed, let me see you.
No.
No.
I'm just signing in.
No,
No.
I have. I have.
Excuse me, is this Scratch? I really don't know.
Okay. Yeah, so who can help us and tell us how we can? Yes, please. Yes, Mary.
I don't have Scratch.
Yes.
And tell us. Wow, yes, you are going to get it now. Who can help us and explain to us how we can download Scratch and have it installed on our computer or tablet? Anyone who can help us and explain to us how we can download Scratch and install it?
Not me.
Yes, Amy.
Not me.
Amy, tell us how we can get Scratch.
We go on Google and type Scratch 3, Scratch 3.0 download.
Did you hear her well?
Yes.
Yeah, she's saying, let's go on Google. We type, do we all know Google?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, in the last session we said Google search is part of the software a computer use. Yeah, so we just go to a web browser which you're using, and in the web browser you type in the word Scratch 3.0. Then you search
Scratch 3.0 download.
Yes.
3.0.
Scratch 3.0 download.
Excuse me, it brings Scratch offline. Excuse me, it brings Scratch offline editor.
You click Scratch offline editor. Click Scratch offline editor.
Thank you. That's what you have clicked.
Offline editor.
Hey, Ma.
Excuse me, after me.
Offline editor.
Then should I sign in or join?
I'm not seeing Scratch offline editor.
You are not seeing.
Excuse me, are we supposed to join or sign?
You sign in. Join.
Thank you.
Do you have Scratch account? If you have Scratch, sign in. If you don't have a Scratch account, then sign up, join. When you click on join, let's try and join.
Scratch.
Scratch.
Uh-oh, what did you do? Can you stop it? What do you mean? Your hand. Stop it in your hand. Stop it in your hand. Stop it in your hand. Can you go for this the way?
Okay, is it done downloading and installing? Yeah, you realize after installing Scratch, yeah, you'll have a screen like this. If you are signing in online, yeah, you'll get a page like this. If we are signing in online, that's when you are not downloading it. Then we will join Scratch. If we have account, we'll start creating. If we have account, let's click on sign up in. If we don't have, we can join Scratch. We put our email address and we create a password. Yeah, you can create a username, create a password, then you type in your password again. For instance,
Teacher,
if I say
Teacher, right now I've finished.
Teacher, finished.
You finished. Wow.
I have a question.
That's great. Yes, ask.
Can I do it online because my download is taking long?
Yes. Okay, please, let's do it online if download is taking long.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, if your download is taking long, use online. If you are able to download, use the offline setup. If you have it on your laptop or on your tablet, use the offline. And after installing it, you should be able to have something that looks like this.
Excuse, I'm already on that.
Yeah, you should be able to have something like this on your screen. If you don't have it, yeah, please tell us so that we can help you out.
Excuse me, it's telling me to create. It's asking me what my email is.
It is asking you what your Gmail is.
Yes.
Yeah, you are using online setup.
No, I'm using offline.
Yeah, if you're using online setup and you don't have, you're using offline.
Yes, I am.
Teacher, for me, mine is showing something else.
What is it showing?
They're showing a huge variety of things.
Teacher, finished.
Yeah.
Should I show it to you?
Share me your screen if it's showing a variety of things. We see how can help you out. Or you are using an online Scratch, so you click on create.
I click on create. Okay.
Yes, click on create. Okay. We all have now a screen for Scratch.
Teacher,
Yes.
finished.
I don't find
Teacher.
Yes.
Mine is downloading.
Oh, yours is still downloading.
Mine is still downloading.
Okay, wait.
Just
Mine is
started.
also still downloading.
Let's talk one by one.
Thanks.
I didn't hear.
It's
Mine
saying
is still downloading.
it's saying 37 minutes left.
Teacher, that's what mine is showing. Is
Mine
that
is
okay?
done. Mine has finished to be installed.
Mine has finished. It's now showing Scratch and a cat.
Yeah. So please, if it has not yet finished installing, you just wait for it. In a minute, it will be done downloading, and it will install. You click on it, you install it, then you have the same interface with us.
Excuse me, teacher, how do you install it? Please memorize because I was getting something.
You're asking how we install it?
Excuse me, teacher, how do you create something?
Mine is still installing.
Okay, please be patient as it finishes installing.
Are you seeing my screen?
How should I install it?
Are you seeing my
screen?
No.
Your screen. Yeah, if you had see your screen, you have to share it. That's
Okay.
Mark, if you share your screen, you go on share screen. It's in the middle.
Can you see now?
Yeah, so you can click on create. Click
It's
on
still
create
installed.
as we wait. Okay, click on create. After the logo for Scratch, there is create. It will be installing as we are creating. Okay?
Mine has finished to be installed.
Okay, then it has finished. Open it. Okay, Mark, stop sharing your screen and you wait a bit. It will finish. It will open. Just wait it a bit. It will open.
I think my
Yeah,
screen.
now we are all seeing the screen for Irma. And when you look on the screen for Irma, what do you see on the screen? What do we see?
A cat walking.
You see a cat. Yeah, what else?
Colors.
Some options.
I see the
see
word
some
tutorials.
I see costumes, sounds, code.
Yeah, so we can see Scratch, we can see file, we can see edit, tutorials, Scratch project, you can see code, costume, sound,
can see file.
and these codes. Yeah, so please, Elmo, stop sharing your screen. Stop sharing your screen.
Okay.
You just click on stop sharing screen to stop sharing your screen.
Click stop share.
I've clicked that.
Okay.
Excuse me. What does turbo mode do?
Yes.
What does turbo mode do?
Turbo mode?
Like, I mean.
Where is turbo mode?
Turbo mode. TURBO mode.
Excuse me.
Where did you find it? Oh, you're asking
I was saying, yeah, I was saying that I want an edit. There's the option of restore and also turn off turbo mode and put on turbo mode.
Excuse me.
Like I was meaning this. You go to edit.
When you turn on turbo mode, yeah, the project will be a bit faster, or the codes will be more, the copy and paste will be much more faster than when turbo mode is off. Okay. Yeah, turbo mode is you will use it if you want to work at a faster rate. Eh?
Okay. Thank you.
So now let's start on that's turbo mode. You can stop sharing your screen, and we start on a simple project we are going to do today. As I said before, in Scratch, we use Scratch to create computer games or animations. And remember, we said in a computer, it simplifies work. So we're going to use a computer simplify for us our work, and to create core programming. We are giving instructions a computer to do a particular task. For instance, we are using a computer to create a game. We are giving it instructions, telling it what to do, where to go, or giving instruction to the sprite. That's what we're going to do right now. But before, I want us to first look at the major parts of Scratch. And in the major parts of Scratch, as we said, the major parts of Scratch, let me share with you my screen. We can see the major parts of Scratch. Yeah, the major parts of Scratch, we have the codes. Yeah, the codes. Who can explain to us the meaning of the codes? What do they mean?
Can you excuse me?
What do you mean by the codes?
Yeah.
Can you excuse me?
The one which have
motion, move, turn, go up, go. What you mean?
Okay, that's the code. Yeah.
The code is the motion, move,
and steps.
There is also variables.
Okay. In code,
looks, sounds,
the motion, we have the looks, we have the sound, we have the events, and the rest. Yes, Mark.
My Scratch is almost to finish downloading.
Yes, wait for it to finish downloading. Yes, so let me invite Brenda to take over and show us how we're going to create a game in Scratch. Coach Brenda, are you there?
Okay, yes, please. Okay, thank you so much. I believe you've been learning a lot and you've enjoyed that class. So, and I believe now we all have Scratch installed on our machines. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, that's beautiful. So what we're going to do next is, I've had someone asking what's code. Who can tell us what's code? Who can tell us code? What's code? I've been hearing someone saying what's code, what's turbo mode. They have explained to you what turbo mode is. So I want someone to explain what's code. Just explain to us what's code. Yes, Amy?
I have an answer.
Tell us.
Code is used to program games.
Okay, code is used to program code games. Okay, that's beautiful. Who else said had an answer? Who else said he had an answer? Someone, I heard them saying they have an answer.
Yes, code is specific commands given to a computer in order to perform a task you want it to.
Okay, yeah, codes are specific commands given to a computer in order to perform a particular task or, yeah, in order to perform a particular task. So for example, I'm going to share my screen and we look at different codes in Scratch. So hope we've all understood what code is. So once you, for example, once you give instructions to a computer to perform a particular task, you yourself, you become a programmer or you become a coder. So I believe by the end of today, you will be a programmer or be called a coder, because myself, I call myself a programmer because I do more than this. I can design games, I can design mobile apps, I can design that. So it's all is that giving instruction to complete a particular task. So hope now that's clear. Just to ask what's code, and so this we're going to do. We're going to design something simple, and we are going to design it as a class. So before I show you what we're going to design, I'm going to kindly tell me if you've been playing games, which games are playing, and what makes them interesting about those particular games. Yes, guys, tell us that the game you've been playing and makes them interesting on that particular game. Is it the score? Is it the way it runs? What makes that game nice to you? So I'm going to give a chance everyone to tell us one game and tell us what makes it interesting, that you feel like playing it every day. Or if you keep watching some TV stations, their games or their cartoons, you keep watching like, oh, this is nice. Why? Because it has this. So he's telling us, it's like Mazima is raising up his hand. Mazima, are you talking to us?
Yes. I know a game called Asphalt 8. And the interesting thing about it is that it's a racing game that all the cars I'm racing are like fast. I feel like even playing it every day.
Hey, wow, all the cars are racing, so I feel like playing it every day. That's nice. Okay, who's telling us another game? First is telling us a game you played, I believe. Yes, Mark, are you telling us? He's talking.
I don't know.
Tell us your name.
Yes?
Yes. I want someone to tell us the game and what makes it interesting.
I don't have.
You don't play the game. Okay.
I play games.
Okay, which game do you play? Can't hear you. Yes, who's talking?
Me.
Okay, tell us, please. Go ahead and tell us.
This is Nathan.
I like the game called Solitaire.
Because that's what?
A game that
Mark, I can't hear you. I've not heard you well.
I was saying I like playing the game Solitaire.
Okay. Solitaire. What makes it interesting?
The thing that makes it interesting is when I win the game.
Okay, is when you win the game. That's beautiful. Who else is telling us? Someone else? Tell us again before we go and join something.
Interesting.
Who is talking? I don't. Is Sergo talking? Sergo, please, can you tell us which game do you play and what makes it interesting?
Beat racing.
Beat racing, okay. What makes it interesting?
Cars race.
Okay, the kart race.
Cars race.
Okay.
My name is Amy. I play Junior Scrabble. And what I love and what I love about it, it helps me spell words.
Okay.
My name is Nathaniel, and the game that I like playing is Minecraft. And what makes it interesting for me is because sometimes there are things that I didn't know that there could be in it.
Okay.
Also,
that's nice.
And you can also build interesting things in it.
Yeah. Wow, that's beautiful. So
My
we are
name
going.
My name is Jedediah. My name is Jedediah. I like playing chess.
What makes it interesting?
My name is when I win.
Yes.
When I win.
We've seen we have different games we want to play. So I'm going to share my screen and we do something, something very nice, interesting. But we are going to do it. We are going to do it as a class, not as me, because I believe as we contribute together, we're going to learn how we can use code and how we can make life and how we can collaborate or work together as a team. Because as a team, when in coding, like team engagement is very key. We need to work as a team to produce something better, something much more beautiful. If you work alone, it's not be beautiful, but if you work as a team, it becomes very easy and someone can easily be able to choose those. Okay, I'm going to share my screen and then we see how we can really do amazing things. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, so let me share my screen. I think it's loading slowly, but it will load. So currently I'm using the offline version. I'm using the offline version. So if you're using online, it's okay. You can, if you're using online version, just go and click create. But if you're using offline version, click on it and then it will open. So let's all open our Scratch interface and then we do something beautiful. I'm also expectant of what we are going to create as a team. I'm also very expectant of what we are going to create as a team.
Excuse me, are we going to, should we share our screens?
No, don't share your screens, just open it because I'm sharing mine. We shall be, so you need to be attentive as what we are doing. You also be doing it on your screens. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yeah, so mine is loading. Once it's done loading, we shall be able to continue.
Mine is also downloading.
Yeah, you see downloading.
Yeah, but it's almost done.
It's almost done. Okay. How many people are using online accounts? Okay. Yes, some people are using an account. So it's only one.
Excuse me, teacher. Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
How do you download?
How do you download? Okay. If you want to download it, I'm going to show you how to download. I'm going to first share my screen and show you how you can download. Am I clear?
Yes.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen. Do you have a browser? Do you know internet browser? So if you have an internet browser, it can be either Firefox, Mozilla, Internet Explorer on your computer. So just first go on your desktop and look for
install.
Oh, you got how
Teacher, the browsers, I have a Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge.
Oh, Microsoft Edge. Okay, so you downloaded the software. If you downloaded, just go in downloads. Go in downloads and click on it, and then to install. Share your screen. Kindly share your screen and we see. Kindly share your screen and see what's there.
Teacher, this is on Google Chrome.
This is on your Google Chrome. It's okay. So if you have this on your Google Chrome, this is nice. Just leave it. You're going to be doing your work from this because you're using an online version. Some people are using offline version, so that has no issue. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes. So you're going to learn how to create code. You're going to learn how to create a project under Scratch, and then from there, I believe. My colleague was something very simple. So, for example, because I was in class and my colleague was telling us about a different, like he showed us how the Scratch interface is and told us this is a sprite. This is where my cursor is. told us this is a sprite. Can you tell us what a sprite is? Can you tell us what a sprite is?
A sprite.
Yes, Mazi.
A sprite is a tool used for used for creating in games, things that people control.
Wow, that's beautiful. So a sprite is a tool for creating games, and basically it is controlled. It is controlled. The program controls the sprite. The program control sprite. If you don't control, how do you control it? You control it by giving it the instructions you need to perform. Am I clear? So that's how you control the sprite. Okay, so I believe so now we all know what a sprite is. So in case you don't understand, in case you need more clarification, you can easily show us what a sprite, or you can easily ask, and then we can try to repeat for you what a sprite is. So this class, I want it to be more interactive. We learn as a class. Am I clear? Once I'm going to share my screen, and I'm going to share their Scratch interface. You share it with the Scratch interface, and then we learn from there. Who is willing? I'm going to stop my screen.
My Scratch is going to be installed in 2 minutes.
First, Mark, share your screen and see what. Share screen and we see what you have.
It's saying 2 minutes.
2 minutes, eh? Yours is downloading. Yes, yours is still downloading. Okay, that's nice, still downloading. So now, okay, yours, once it's done downloading, you guide and tell me you get it. Then we shall see how to install it, and then you join us and we continue doing some work. Okay, so who else is sharing? I want someone to share their screen with us. Share your screen with us. Just Scratch interface with us. Okay, yes. Kendrick is sharing with us. So, okay, that's nice. So, you see, Kendrick is his screen with us. So we are going to, he's going to become our teacher by us giving, okay, he's going to become a student, and us, the rest of us, are going to give him instructions on what to do and on how he can give instructions to that particular sprite. Am I clear? So what we are going to do, we are going to first make that sprite. Let's first listen. How we are going to make the sprite first. We want the sprite to move. We want the sprite to move. If you want to move, if you want to make the sprite to move, what do we do? Which instructions do we give the sprite to be able to move? Who can tell us? I want us to participate as a class.
We give it move 10 steps.
Okay, let's look for more. Why do you find move 10 steps? It's telling us?
In motion. In motion.
Okay, you go to motion. Okay, and then another thing I need to tell us about. In Scratch, we normally drag and drop. We drag and drop. Plan you click on it and drag it where there is a coding area, because Coach Kelly showed us the coding area. So just drag it and put it there. Yes. Okay. And then another one I want to explain is in Scratch, if you are giving instructions to a sprite, you need to always try to think, okay, if I want a sprite to move, what do I do? You need to think about motion. If I want the sprite to change the way it looks, you should think about I can get commands under looks. If you want it to play something, you should think about, okay, I can get the commands under sound blocks. And then always one thing you need to know, always in under Scratch interface, we normally get a first instructions under events. Under events, click on events and look for events, and we're going to see the first instructions. We get them. We're going to find out we have things like when green flag is clicked, when space key is pressed.
We get when green flag is clicked.
Yeah. So, okay, so it's always up. It's why we normally get our first command. Yes, drag it. Drag it. Yes.
Yeah, you put it on top of move 10 steps.
Okay, what you do, come and get the command of move 10 steps and put it below it. Under it like that, yes. So it's one thing we need to know, yes. One thing we know that under Scratch, what we deal we use we use interlocking blocks, which means if the sprite has to follow the instruction, the blocks of code or the instructions must be related to each other. They must be connected to each other. But if it's just hanging, it cannot be able to do that. Am I clear? So click on the green flag and you see what happens if it moves 10 steps.
Yes.
Does it move?
Yes.
How many steps?
Yes.
No, you click once and leave. Click once and leave.
It clicks. It
moves one step.
It goes one step.
It moves.
It moves
one step.
Okay, it moves one step.
We have to put forever. Forever. We have to put the forever block.
Well, fast wait, fast wait, fast wait. So everyone, you should have these instructions on your Scratch interface. Put these instructions and give them to your sprite. You get it? Before we continue. Do that. Once you're all done, you can tell him and then we continue. Am I clear? Because we don't want to leave the rest. We need to move together as a class, the same pace. We all have that?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, so yes, so I'm going to ask someone, why do you think he has not moved? Why do you think he has not moved the 10 steps and he has just only moved once? Who can give us? Because I told you for a character, for the character we're supposed to give it instruction to complete. So for it, when you told it to move 10 steps, it only moved once. Why do you think it only moved once? Yes, Mazima, can you tell us?
Because he has not put you need to put the forever block.
Okay, she's saying because you need to put forever loop, fast wait. Okay, who else has an idea? Okay, try to change it. Try to change from. I want us to come and click in the middle here. Instead of 10, we put 100 and see what happens.
102.
Click in the middle here. Yes. Then use backspace and type the 100. Okay. Then go ahead and click on the green flag and tell him what you observe. What's the difference? Tell him what's the difference. Who can tell him what's the difference?
It moved faster than before.
Because it has moved further.
It moved faster than before.
Okay, it has moved farther than before, implying that the distance becomes bigger, but still moves one step. Is it clear? So that's the importance of saying move. If you try to move 10 steps to move a shorter distance, it's like for you, you're moving and you're making strides. Once you're making strides, you can choose you to make like a smaller stride or longer strides. So, for example, if you're late at school, or you're late for classes, or you're late for food, and you don't have time, you always tend to make the strides, to make long strides, isn't it? That when you're at your own pace, you're on your own time, you walk because you know there's nothing to do. Am I clear? It's okay. So who are telling us we put forever? Who are telling us we put forever?
Can you excuse me, teacher?
Okay, what? Yes.
Since now my Scratch has finished installing, what should I do? When I click here and I click open file and I click install, this is what is coming.
Okay, I'm going to allow to pass share screen and see. So the rest, let's first allow Mark to share his screen, and then we can see what happens. Then when we shall continue. Okay, Mark, please kindly share your screen and we see what you have.
I'm already sharing my screen.
I can't see it.
I can't. You're not. No, you're not.
I cannot see it.
I cannot see it.
Yeah, again.
Now can you see it?
Yeah, no one can
Yes.
see it. So,
yes.
So when I click here and I click here, I click install and this is what is coming.
I cannot see it.
okay, now he's sharing, yes. Okay, what you do is go to your computer and look for download.
Download.
Yeah, in downloads, yeah.
Download the file.
So I click finish.
Yeah.
Then I go here.
You've shared, can you share another, you're sharing a different, okay, it's okay, yeah, click on show all in downloads, yes, click there.
These are all my downloads.
That's what I've not yet seen them. So if you can see the downloads.
No.
What? Just click on Scratch. Click on Scratch, it will install.
Approve.
What is it saying?
I've said approve, so I've clicked it.
Yes.
Press there. Scratch.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
May I please share my screen and show the progress that I've been doing?
Okay, first wait. Okay. So, Mark, please kindly let's go and check out. Mark, can you go on this download?
I'm opening
on that particular. You're opening it, eh? Okay,
Yeah.
as you're opening up, who told us wanted to show us their work, their progress? Go ahead and share. Yes, want to show us the progress, please? Okay, that's Serugo. Mark, once it's done, you tell us.
Okay.
Okay, so let's continuing. Okay, now use Serugo's. So we have moved 10 steps. Let's go to. If you want it the car to move 10 steps, you get a command repeat 10. Get the command says repeat 10. Get it?
So when I click here, it says open, run as administrator, and all this stuff.
What is it, Mark?
It's saying open, run as administrator, share with Skype, SkyDrive Pro, troubleshoot compatibility, pin to start.
First, wait, first hold on later. We're going to come to you. Serugo, what you do, come and bring the command says move 10 steps and put it inside, repeat. Put it inside, repeat.
Yes. What do you mean?
Like that?
So when
do like let's do,
so
Mark, I'm coming to attend to you.
Okay.
Mark, I'm coming to attend to you. The rest, let's do what Serugo has done. Mark, I'm coming to attend to you. Am I clear?
So I stopped sharing.
Pardon?
I stopped sharing the screen.
It's Serugo sharing, not you. Okay, you share your screen again, Mark.
I'm sharing.
But I can see Jeremiah's work, you see? I'm seeing Jeremiah's work. I've not yet seen your work.
Okay, let me restart the share.
Okay. Okay, Jeremiah, that's nice. Can do work, that's beautiful. So let's first wait for Mark to also join and receive. Mark, share your screen, please.
I've shared.
Come and click on this setup. Click on it.
I click on which one?
This
one.
Yeah, up.
The first one.
Anita is going to control the screen.
Click there.
On finish.
Where is finish? Click on it until it opens. Click on it.
I clicked it. Now it's not opening.
You click, it will open. Don't mind. Okay, click on it. See?
Yes.
It can't open. Double click on it.
Oh. This is what it's saying.
What is it saying?
It's saying install. If I click anyone who uses this computer, it's putting an administrator.
Yes, click anyone. Click anyone.
I click this administrator.
Click anyone. Yes.
I'm using the administrator.
Yes. After that, what happens?
Yes. It's saying installing. Please wait while Scratch 3 is being installed.
Okay.
Then it's saying completing Scratch 3 setup. Run Scratch 3. Finish.
Okay. When it's done, you tell me.
But now, since I've clicked finish, what should I do?
Is it open?
No.
Try to minimize your screen. Try to minimize the download and go to desktop, and I see what's there.
Desktop.
Yes, go to minimize there, and then I can see what's on desktop. Minimize that one.
I've minimized.
Minimize until I can. Okay, try to close.
This is what.
Click on this X up this screen because I can't see your screen. I can see downloads. Click on that, and then we go to your downloads.
I click on downloads.
No, click on the X to close the screen for downloads.
X, why?
I can't see. Am I clear?
Where is the X?
Why is the X?
Yeah.
Okay. You see where the downloads is?
Oh, now I'm seeing it.
Yeah, close it.
Now I've clicked open.
Has it opened?
Now I'm just clicking open.
Okay.
Yeah, now it's loading.
Loading, that's nice. So once after that, it's okay.
Right. Have you seen it?
So I think now we can resume. We can resume. Now it's let me see sharing that screen is Serugo. So please, I've seen Kendrick, like your network issue, but thank God you're back, which is beautiful. So let's go ahead and continue. Okay. What I want us to do is want us to add sound. How do we add sound to this? How do we add sound to this? Who's telling us want to add some sound?
Have you seen my
Jedediah, and you go.
Have you seen my Scratch?
You go to sound. You go to the.
So I go to sounds.
No.
Please, let's listen to one person giving us instructions. Let's listen to only one person who is giving us instructions. Am I clear?
Yes.
Then the rest, let's follow. Yeah, who's giving us instructions? Who's giving us instructions?
Jedediah.
Okay, so let's tell us how we can add sound to our code.
After going to sound, you choose, after there's a button down to it, after they say choose a sound, you press that. After you search for the sound that you want.
Oh,
so one time
you go down
to add
down.
join to add in, okay? Let's click on code. Let's click on code. Let's click on code. Click on code and then you see how we can continue. Do you see this sound and after looks? Click on sound after looks. Yes, so choose a command, play sound near until done. Add sound. Please choose a command and drag it and put it inside after, put it after 10, 100 steps. Put it inside after, move 100
steps.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, so now what I want us to make sure, to make our sprite change colors. How do we do that? We want our sprite to change colors. So what do we do?
Excuse me, can you repeat that?
We want our sprite to be able to change colors. We want our sprite to be able to change colors. So what can we, which commands can we add there to make the sprite to be able to make colors? Yeah, let's go to looks. Let's go to looks. I've been telling us if you want to change to make your sprite change the way it looks, always think of getting commands under looks. Am I clear? Scroll down and look for the command which says change color effect by 25. And put it after play sound, change color. Okay, yes. So click on the green flag and you see what happens. What does it do? Who can tell us?
Changes colors.
Changes colors.
Even mine it changes colors.
Okay. Changes color as it is moving. I'm here.
Changes color.
Changes color as it is
moving.
And then it makes a sound or it cries because I believe we know that a cat has kind of so we're going to look to the next thing is we want to add background to our sprite projects then to make it more beautiful. Want to add and make it more beautiful. So kindly, I'm going to, okay, who can tell us how we add background?
Excuse me.
I said Jeremiah,
Where do you...
how we add background?
Excuse me.
Teacher?
Yes.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Where do you get change color?
Okay, who can tell us how we get change color?
On look. We go to look. You look for change color effect by 25.
You go to look. You go look.
Okay, you go to looks and scroll down. You're going to find a command which says change color effects by 25.
And set color to
teacher.
Effect to 0.
Yes. So that's nice. Have you seen it, please? So let's go ahead and add a background. How do you add a background?
Teacher,
How do you add a background? Who can
we go down where there's a picture here. We go to choose a background. Then we choose one like farm.
Okay. Choose one.
Then
that's nice. So
yes.
So yes, so you can choose a background and then click on your green flag and see what happens. Okay, so
the battery.
Before we conclude, Scratch.
So where do you get that background?
Yes, I'm asking. Yes, please, I'm asking how many people can create for us birthday cards using Scratch? Okay, so who can tell us how so far how is this class? I want everyone to tell me their reaction. How is this? Is it exciting? Are you sure if you continue learning, are you going to fulfill your expectations? Once someone reply me, please. I want a reply, I want a response.
It's exciting.
It's exciting, eh? Wow, that's nice. Okay, it's exciting, okay?
It was wonderful.
Okay, wow, that's nice. So, I've been asking how many people can create birthday cards for their parents, for your sister? How many people can do that? Because it's very possible. It's one of the easiest things. And you can create games, singing for someone at birthday. You can create games and you'll be able to put them on your. Yes, Jeremiah said he can do that. That's beautiful. It's very possible, and you can even do more than that. Is it clear? Yeah, even some people's expectation were to run out program robotics. Yes, it's very possible also to be able to use program. But then you need to put a step by step. You learn step by step until you be able to catch up and do something better than even everything. Because even someone who created this Scratch interface started a step by step, and then he was able to create for us this. Am I clear?
Yes.
So how many would like to continue with us?
I want.
Because on Monday we have a class. How many would like to join us and learn more and become more experts? Just than today's class, but we learn every day, Monday, from the month of November. How many people are willing? Because the more you learn every day, the more you become an expert, the more your knowledge is expanded unto you. Yes, Amy is willing. Who else is willing?
Me.
It's coding.
Coding, yes. How many people are willing to continue with us for the next 1 month in November to learn more and to engage more. Okay. So how are you going to tell your friends about today's class? Was it boring? Did you learn something? Tell us what you've learned. I want to hear at least from each and everyone what you've learned, because we are here. I want to be sure that at least you've learned. If you've not learned, I can teach again until everyone learns something. Yes, Mazima, tell us what you've learned.
Now, I put the cat to school, so what should I do?
You put the cat to? School. School?
Yeah.
First leave it there, Mark. Okay, so Mazima was telling us, Mazima, what have you learned?
I've learned how to use Scratch and how to code. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. Who else has learned something? I want you to tell us, all you wasting time. Tell us what you've learned. If not,
I've learned how to
repeat
use Scratch and that the background effects I've learned about them, and also how to make to move 100 steps, and also to repeat, and also how to think.
My name is Amy. I've learned how to change color with Sprite, how to put a background, and how to put a background.
Okay, that's beautiful. That's beautiful.
My name is Jedediah. I've learned how to do variables.
Okay, we've learned how to do variables. Okay. Did we talk about variables?
No.
Okay.
Yes.
What are variables? Tell us variables. Okay.
Some variables can be about scores.
Yes, variables can be about scores. That's nice. So, but today we don't yet learn about variables. So, if you join in for other classes, we're going to learn how we can make more amazing games. They've been telling us they can all be created in Scratch. Then you can add score and make it more amazing. Before let me call someone else who works with us in Code Academy Uganda. Then is going to address us. Let's wait just for a few minutes. Am I clear?
Okay.
Yes. Mr. Edward, you're welcome. Hope he's around. The floor is yours.
Wow. I'm blessed to come on. I'm blessed to come on. Hi, everyone.
Hi.
We are doing good.
Hi.
Yes. Okay, now let's have our videos on. If we can, we are coming to the close of our code school today, and I want to give you good news. Now, the good news is that you've learned something today, and you're excited. How many have learned something today? That's good. How many are excited about programming? You're excited about programming? That is excellent. Now, to become a computer scientist or to be able to be a professional, you must keep learning and learning and learning and learning. Over the days and the years as go by, as you move from 8 years to 10 to 12 to 13 to 14, you need to keep learning. And at Code Academy Uganda, we have children like you that do amazing stuff. Okay, now you have a chance also to come and be a part of a team of children who are learning and are doing amazing things, amazing games, amazing animations, amazing music, using programming, using code like you've learned today. Now, our class is beginning on Monday in the week and also on the weekend. You can feel free to talk to mommy and daddy, and they sign you up and they enroll you in the class, and you be a part of it. There you learn more things. You learn how to make big games like Candy Crush, you know, games like Temple Run, you know, such games that people play on the phones, but in Scratch we now begin to make such things using using code. Now I'm called Edward Sempala. I work with the academy, and I'm also a trainer. I train children programming. And if I can tell you that there are many children in your school who, please don't screen share. Please stop screen share. Thank you. There are many children like you in Africa, in Uganda, who are doing very crazy stuff. Now, you also, you're not any different. As you saw in the class, it was very easy, you know, drag and drop, and then things happen, you know. Imagine the power that you can have on you if you spend with us just 1 year. Imagine that. Imagine what you can become if you spend with us just 2 years. Again, you can be a superstar, you know. You can have powers on you that can move and do anything. You understand? Now, all of us who want to be superstars. We've watched Spider-Man, we've watched Superman, and they're doing these things, and we're like, wow, how about me also doing such things? Understand? Now, programming makes you a superstar because you can control anything. You can control anything that is in your hands. Understand? We're using programming. Okay, now, one thing I'm sure of is that I'm going to be seeing some of you in the code camps that are beginning on Monday. And when you come into the camps, I know you're going to see more than what you've seen today. There is more to learn. There is more to eat on if it comes to Scratch and programming. Okay, I want to hear from two people to tell us specifically what has changed about their thinking when from what they have learned today in regards to computers. Two people, you can raise your hand up using the icons down there. I'm seeing Daniel, his hand is up. You tell us what you feel has changed about you when you from attending this session. I'm waiting for two people. One, who is telling us?
I felt.
Yes, Daniel.
I think that it was very good, and I enjoyed coding, and I hope to learn more.
That is beautiful. That is beautiful, Daniel. Someone else. Someone else. Yes, Jackson.
I've enjoyed coding, and I've learned how to code on Scratch, and that's what I've enjoyed in their lesson.
Okay, I'm seeing, thank you, Jackson. I'm seeing Jeremiah, your hand is up, please.
I have enjoyed Scratch, programming my sprite, and also doing background effects, editing it, and programming the sprite to move. And that's what I've learned today.
Wow, that is beautiful. I'm seeing Amy, your hand is up.
I have learned to change the background and moving the sprite.
Beautiful. Yes, thank you, Amy. I'm seeing Esther. You are, I think. Yes, Victoria.
Yes, I've learned everything that I need to know about Scratch. I also learned that computer is not boring.
Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, Vicky. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, you realize computers can do many things. They can be superpowers. The cartoons you watch at home, they are being done using programming. Guys write code and then they make them. Now when you join the code camps, you realize that you can make a cartoon for yourself that you want any way you want it, and you can share it with your friends and they can watch your own made cartoon. You understand? Now that is the power that comes with learning to program a computer while you're still young. Okay, I want to have to say that Code School has come to the very end of it. I want to say thank you to the teachers, Happiness and Brenda. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for everyone who has attended. In case you want to catch us up, please, we are Code Academy Uganda. You can check us out on Facebook and on YouTube. We are available, and also on our website. Find us. We are based in Uganda, Kampala, and we love you so much. See you again in the code camp or in the next code school. Regards.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you, teachers.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Some pizza.
Bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
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 Bye.